Welcome to the Color Coded Chef. Today we're going to do the Bishop Hat Napkin Fold. First, lay your napkin down in front of you. Step 2, we're going to bring the top corners down to the bottom. Step 3, we are going to take the right corner and we're going to bring it down. Step 4, we're going to take the left corner and we're going to bring that corner up. Okay, flip your instructions over. Step 5, we're going to flip our napkin over. And we're also going to orient it this direction. Step 6, we're going to grab this edge and we're going to bring the napkin up. Step 7, we're going to reach in here and we're going to pull that triangle piece back down. Step 8, we are going to take this corner and we're going to bring it over here and we're going to tuck it in underneath the fold. Step 9, we're going to flip our napkin back over. In step 10, we're going to repeat that where we bring this over and we tuck it in. Okay. Step 11, we're going to open up the hat and we're going to press the material down so it makes it open and flat. So, and now we have a Bishop's Hat Napkin Fold. Thank you for joining the Color Coded Chef.